Hi everyone. So I'm going to meet Raj at the station. He should be arriving any time now. Yeah, so let's wait for him together. Yeah, hi everyone. So yesterday it was Saturday and that evening Raj came to me by train. Yeah, so we rested for a while and we just had our Easter breakfast with my parents. Yeah, we'll go for a walk in a while, and at the same time we also want to wish Happy Easter to everyone.
Happy Easter, guys.
Now I will show you a couple of videos that we made during our breakfast time. Oh. Teraz.